रास्ते ओ should I
I'm amazed you made it all the way here on your own.
Ajay, you made it! Good job, son of Mohan.
Why are you guys helping me?
You're the son of Mohan Ghale. You may not know it, but that name carries a lot of weight in Kirat, especially for the Golden Bar.
Are those army guys still looking for me?
Pagan Min will stop at nothing to get you back. Damn. Some of Pagan's men managed to track us. They'll be here any second. We're in for a fight. Here they come. Hold your ground.
Enemy located! Let's go! Come on! Let's go!
Stay low. Take cover. No! No! You're mine!
I'm ready for whatever happens.
Here they come. Hold your ground. Stay low.
Changing magazine!
Take cover. Avalanche! Take cover! Ajay! Avalanche! You're a tough man to kill, brother.
That's a good thing, right? How did you know to find me?
He saw Bacon's chopper nearby. He's never down this far south, and I wanted to know why. Lucky for you, we were in the area when we got Darpan's text. Well, we're here. Welcome to Banapur,
हामीले रोपेको धान
home of the Golden Path.
कति राम्रो एकदमै राम्रो हुँदैछ हो
Who's this? Where's Darpan?
थाहा छ,
He didn't make it.
कुरा, यो दुःखको कुरा हो
This is Ajay Gale,
कुरा आएको धेरै भयो।
Mohan's son.
Let me understand. Darpan's dead? And you brought me this.
I'm not involved in whatever this is. I'm just looking for Lakshmana.
We're in the middle of a fucking war. We don't have time for tourists.
What was I supposed to do? Just leave him there? I'm sorry, brother. Amita's a little touchy. I'll talk to her. As for Lakshmana, it sounds like it could be a temple or shrine. But if that's the case, it's in the north. The north is enemy territory, and we can't get you there, not yet. Go and clear your head. Come find me when you're ready.